Tableau CRM for Financial Services Cloud, with an emphasis on wealth management, is focused on two primary domains. The first being understanding your accounts, and the second being growing your business. Today, we'll take a look at growing your business and what that means for a wealth management firm. So first, we'll focus on sales performance. What needs my attention? What are the opportunities that are falling behind? How many days have they been falling behind? And what are the days without recent activity? And what is the amount of that particular opportunity? So I can gauge where that needs to be, where my attention needs to be focused, and what stage they belong in. Will I make my number? So this gives me an understanding of how much of my percentage have I reached. It gives me a line trend to understand where I'm projected to be moving forward, and then what my quota is versus my performance historical comparison. So maybe management wants to take a look at this and see that I'm far exceeding my quota, even last quarter to present quarter. So maybe that quota needs to be upped a little bit. What's in my pipeline? So let's take a look at what is in the proposal quote stage. So I can say I have a lot of retirement opportunities. Most are coming directly. About a quarter are coming from my channel partners. And then how has my pipeline changed? So what did I start out with? What is new? All the way to what is open today. And that takes out what is converted and what's been disqualified and close won and close lost. And then finally, how can I win more deals? So what are my won and lost opportunities? What is my win rate over time? And then how can I filter that down by marketing segment and then by opportunity type? So for simple partner channels and for that retired and mass market sphere, I want to understand what my win rate is for those in particular. So once we understand a bit about our sales performance, then we want to understand a bit about our events and seminars that we've got going on. So our events are a big part of how we drive business. So we want to understand our attendance over time, how many were invited, and then how many were attended, and what type of object are they within Salesforce? Are they a contact? Are they a lead? Are they a prospect? And then diving even deeper, what is the relationship between cost and conversion? So I can see that, this particular conversion cost us about $14,000. And then what are the best performing seminars? So by attendee, what are they really interested in? By conversion rate. So it seems that this customer conference event had the largest conversion rate, or educate clients about new 401k plan. But a retirement plan really didn't have that much engagement. Then lastly, in understanding how we want to grow our business, client acquisition. So again, what needs attention? So days since last activity, 60 to 120 days. We've got 32 leads and referrals here in this group. Then lead referral age, 30 to 60 days. That's how old they are. 15 to 30. And then by expected value. So if we want to really understand by this bucket, we can filter based upon that metric. Next, in understanding our total leads and sources, where are they coming from? So I can see that a large portion is from webinars, but some are coming from actual refers. So we want to understand they're coming a lot from Chelsea Advisor. Let's look at those particular leads that are coming from her. And I can see that there's a 50% conversion rate. Now, I might want to talk to Brenda because she's providing me a 75% conversion rate. And next, My total leads that have come into me, total converted and total disqualified, and where are those leads now that I'm still working on? Are they being nurtured? Have they been contacted? Have they been new? I want to understand my current lead pipeline and where the majority of those leads are being held up in. Conversion rate over time. So I want to measure how my conversion rate has changed from the years, the decades, the weeks, and the months. And on the other side of that, how many touch points does it take to convert? And then how many leads have I touched in each bucket? So I can see a lot of leads are converting in 3, but all the way to 10. And what product interests convert more? Lastly, lead pipeline trending. So this is the same dashboard that we saw before, but it's just particular to those leads within the pipeline. So what did I start out with? What did I end up at? And it's taking out those converted leads as well as those disqualified leads. So understanding how you can grow your business with Financial Services Cloud and Tableau CRM together, it looks at how are my leads trending, who needs attention from my current customers, and what events and marketing analytics can I generate to get interest for the products that I'm offering.